I'm starting off with old hair. I've had this ponytail in for a few days. I'll be putting my hair into a simple hairstyle that I can easily rock after washing my hair. But for now, my hair is super gelled up and is in serious need of TLC. It's super dry and I really need moisture. So now that the ponytail is out of the way, I'm just going to go ahead and unbraid the hair that was underneath. This is what I was using to protect my hair within the ponytail. Once this is done, it was kind of difficult for me to deal with my hair, so you'll see me spraying it with some water. This is just to go ahead and loosen up the buildup so I can part my hair into 4 sections. I personally don't like leaving my hair free when I go ahead and wash it, just because it makes it a lot easier for me to put into sections. I experience a lot less tangles and it's so much easier for me to manage my hair. Now that I separated my hair, I'm just spraying it down with more water to make it easier to detangle. I didn't have too many tangles, so the process was pretty easy. I'm going in with my wide tooth comb to make sure I get all the knots. Now I'm going in with my oil. This is just olive oil and a bit of leftover wild growth. And now you see me splitting my hair into 2 subparts and further detangling them to make sure I get all the knots and twisting them away. I'm going to repeat this process all throughout my hair and allow the oil to sit for a few minutes. I pre-poo every time I wash my hair. This makes shampooing so much easier and it prevents my hair from feeling overly stripped of moisture. I'm back and my hair is freshly washed. I put it back into 4 sections and I'm going to get my hair ready for my deep conditioning routine. I'm going to be using the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Merveillehair Oil Intensive Hydration Mask. This is one of my favorite masks of all time. My hair was super dry and I really needed a good moisturizing product. My hair is protein sensitive, so I like to avoid protein when I can. And I'm going to repeat this process throughout my hair and spray my hair with water whenever necessary. So now that the deep conditioner is all throughout my hair, I'm going to cover it with 2 plastic caps. On top of that, I'm going to place my satin scarf. And to make sure my hair absorbs all that product, I'm going to be using my hot head deep conditioning cap. I let the deep conditioner sit in my hair for about 45 minutes, and I'm back to you guys with my hair freshly washed. Now I'm going in with my favorite leave-in conditioner, which is the Lotta Body Moisturize Me Curl and Style Milk. Then I'll be using olive oil and shea butter to seal that moisture in, and that's pretty much it for my moisturizing routine. So I wanted to give you guys a quick close-up of what I'm doing. So I'm just going to spray my hair down, and I'm putting in the leave-in conditioner, adding the olive oil first, which is really important, and then on top of that I'm adding the shea butter. The shea butter is a sealant, and the olive oil is a penetrative oil, so it allows it to get into the hair shaft, and then on top of that you would add the shea butter to further seal all of that together. You don't want to put the shea butter first. Now that my hair is completely moisturized, I'm going to take down each twist and prepare it for the flat twist I'm going to put it in, which is going to be my protective style for the next few weeks. So I'm just going to take down all my hair gently, comb it through a little bit just to make sure it's further detangled. Once I comb out all my hair, I'm going to start flat twisting it. This isn't a tutorial on how to flat twist the hair, just because I don't know how to really explain it. The best way I can explain it is I'm using 2 strands of my hair and picking up hair as I go and twisting it inward. And that's the best way I can explain it. There's multiple videos on YouTube which can explain this process. If you guys do want me to make a tutorial on how I do this, I can. If you do know how to cornrow, this process will be a lot easier for you, but this is pretty much all I'm doing. So once my hair is pinned away, I'm just going to go ahead and wrap it up in this satin scarf, and that's pretty much it for this protective style. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below, and please stay tuned for the next video. Bye guys!